in my train photos. Make signature.
Huh.
Did you come with me, Nancy?
Yep, okay.
Okay. I'm out of practice.
Sounds like you haven't been home for a while.
I've been home for 3 months. That table's going to move. I'll use that footy shit on this one too.
Bloody hell.
I saw what you did on the train. I'm like, oh my god, I had it, I had that, I had to have it. All those footy sitting up. Still have my blue folder. Bought it for last month. No.
I saw Boss on the ski too, but I haven't seen it around here.
I've got a lot now. I've got some of the cookie watches now.
Yeah. Got a little bit of Netflix on here.
I can't even afford to get more tracks for my Thomas. Where would I go and get more toys? Yes.
It's a wonder why you haven't bought that Scotsman.
I want it so badly. There's a few other things I want to get first. Non-train related.
You're kidding, non-train related?
Non-train related.
Are you going alright?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I've got two loves. I've got trains and I've got computers.
You scared of heights? You scared of heights?
Yes.
Why is that signal not horizontal?
Middle road is slightly off.
You want to go fix it?
What's that?
It's not horizontal.
Or alternatively, just slam the lever a bit harder.
I do slam them.